You want to be the red one. Is that your favorite? Oh, is that yours now? I thought we were gonna play... Okay, you can be red. You can be red, Achilles. Lobster, do you want to play Candyland? Buddy, we know you have the red one. You just want to lay in the box. Achilles, you can't eat it. I know it looks like a cookie, buddy, but that you can't eat it. How are we gonna play if we can't? We gotta get the board. We gotta get the board. Achilles already picked his piece. You gotta get up so we can play. What are you doing, buddy? Can you sit in the other half of the box at least? Oh, let's try and see. We'll move you there. Okay, yep, and then Achilles got the red one. You really like red, huh? Okay. Guess you just have a favorite color. Look, see? Now we can use the board. The correct Candyland board, by the way. This is the correct version. This is the canon, the right version of Candyland. Okay? Alright. Achilles, you want it to be red. That one's mine. Yellow's my favorite. Yeah, you like the red one. Okay. See, we put them here at the start. It does say this game is for 3 to 6 years old, and you're in that age range, so you should be able to comprehend the rules pretty easily. What about you, buddy? Blue or green? Those are your choices. Okay, well, Achilles picked green for you. No, you want blue? Okay. I don't know where Hector is, but he doesn't seem to want to play. Alright. I don't know if these cards are shuffled. Stepping on the board doesn't help us play. Do you think they're shuffled? Yeah, they look shuffled to me. Hey, give that back, Achilles. Oh, Hector, you're over here too now. Do you want to play Candyland with us? Now, that's like possibly the only gripe for the Candyland board, is it doesn't have a good spot for you to put the cards. So we're just gonna put it there. Oh, buddy, you're sitting on the rules. We need those. Thanks, bud. See, it comes with lore. I feel like later versions do not have lore. In fact, the version I had as a kid had like the printed story of Candyland on the inside of the box. Buddy, no, we haven't started yet. I know. I know. Listen, you even get to go first. You're the youngest. Come here with that. Alright, come on. It's your turn. Pick a card. Alright, what'd you get? You got orange. Okay. That's actually pretty good. You get to go up Gumdrop Trail. So that's where you are. Okay, Hector, you're next. You're gonna be green. Hector, you got blue. Achilles, don't cheat! Alright, Lobster, do you want to play? Okay, well, Achilles has decided he doesn't want to play anymore. And Hector's taking a nap. Okay, so everybody except Achilles has settled down to play a game with us. Alright, so we have Achilles and we have Hector. And they've both gone, so those are in the discard. Lobster, you're next. You get yellow. You're gonna be blue, so you go there. And then it's my turn. I also get yellow. We'll stand together. You get pets because we got the same color. Yeah. Alright, Achilles, it's your turn again. You got green. That's okay. There we go. Hector, let's see. You got orange. Oh, you also get to go up the rainbow trail. Good job. Lobster, let's see how you did. You got double orange. Heck yeah. Don't cheat. You can't shuffle them back in the deck. Alright, so Lobster, you're gonna go up the up the rainbow trail, and then right behind Achilles. Hector is trying to cheat at Candyland. Well, now you've got our shuffle pile all out of whack. That's fine. Alright, my turn. I got double orange. I love when they're this off orange color. It's like the color of the DC Metro, and it just makes me happy. We're holding hands together, Lobster. Alright, Achilles, it's your turn. You got purple. Hector is still cheating. You can't eat those. No eating those. So we've bypassed like half of the board by all going up the rainbow trail. And Achilles has once again knocked us all over. Good thing I remember where the pieces were. Trying to cheat. Okay, Achilles, you got purple, so you didn't get that far. You don't chew on the rubber band. You can't just knock the pieces over anytime you're not in the lead. You're literally winning right now. And Hector, don't try and cover up your cheating. We all saw what you did. You got blue. Okay, so you're right there. Lobster's next. Double yellow. So he gets to go... Oh wait, that's me. Lobster's blue. Yellow. And then yellow again. Achilles, it's your turn. Oh no! Look what all of that anger got you. You have to go back. Oh my gosh, you almost knocked it to the right place. Except that's not even the right color, buddy. Are you rage quitting? Is this really happening right now? You're just gonna take your piece and leave. Alright, well, I guess that's Candyland. Lobster, you and I are the only ones who didn't cheat, so I'm gonna call that a co-win. We held hands most of the game.